Ready to jump into the world of Toncoin but not sure where to start? Today, we're making it incredibly easy by showing you how to buy Toncoin directly within your Tonkeeper wallet. First things first, make sure you have the Tonkeeper app downloaded and your wallet is set up. If you haven't already, you can find the app on your app store. Once you're in, you'll see the main wallet screen. Look for the big, friendly buy button and give it a tap. Now, you'll be presented with a few different options for buying Toncoin. This might include using a credit card, debit card, or even Apple Pay. Depending on your region, choose the payment method that works best for you. Next, you'll need to enter the amount of Toncoin you want to purchase or the amount of your local currency you want to spend. Double check that the numbers are correct before moving on. You'll then see a transaction summary showing you the amount of Toncoin you'll receive, any fees involved, and the exchange rate. This is a crucial step. Carefully review all the details to ensure everything looks accurate. Confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed. It usually takes just a few minutes for the Toncoin to appear in your wallet, and that's it. You've successfully purchased Toncoin directly through Tonkeeper. Now you're ready to explore the exciting possibilities of the Ton blockchain.